Hello, Taka here, and welcome back to another video about the Japanese writing systems. Today we'll be learning the second category of kana. We call them Katakana, Katakana, and if you know the hiragana already, then half of the work is done because the structure of the katakana is exactly the same, with a, I, U, E, O rows and akasatana, hamayarawa columns. So you might be wondering, why have a second writing system? Well, katakana are used to transcribe foreign words, mostly English, and if your name doesn't have Chinese characters involved, like people from China or Korea, well, you'll write your name using that alphabet. I went back on the best website for absolute beginners who want to start learning Japanese. To my opinion, it's called Tofugu, and this is a book anyone can download for free. They did not sponsor this video, I just genuinely think their resources are awesome. I won't go in depth with the phonetic because we already saw that in the video about hiragana, so if you just started learning Japanese, then you should watch that video first. This one will be focusing on the mnemonics to remember the characters. If we look at the overview and compare it with hiragana, we can already notice a difference in the style. Hiragana characters look rounder, whereas katakana ones look sharper, they have sharper edges and look more pointy in general. Alright, let's get started. What is katakana? Katakana are a type of Japanese character. Just like hiragana, each katakana character is used to represent a sound. In fact, they represent the exact same sounds as hiragana. So how are they different, you ask? The difference is in when you use them. Katakana are used for various purposes, but they're mostly used to transcribe foreign words, often English. Sometimes, katakana are used for stylistic purposes as well. In this book, we assume that you already know how to read hiragana. An overview of katakana. Just like hiragana, katakana start with a vowel column. A, I, U, E, O. The others are a combination of a consonant and a vowel sound, with an exception of akasatana, hamayarawa. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた!